It's na.
Hey, are you going? You're just going here to break my heart again? You go out now.
No, I just wanted to say hello again. I missed you guys.
Si Uis. Devon?
Thank you so much.
Devon?
Yes?
Devon, can you see you? Apps?
Wala, ikaw na napahod.
Devon,
Oh
can
my
you
God.
see you? Kita mo, Te? One more, please.
Yeah, proud of you, baby.
Sabi
Ay.
niya,
Jenny, what kind of guys do you like?
ano oras ko mag-bite?
Ano daw yung ano mo? Ano daw yung... ano daw yung klaseng lalaking gusto mo?
Oo.
Gusto mo next man with abs.
Your size?
What else? What?
Ano pa daw, te? Ano pa daw, te, gusto mo?
Your size?
Ano?
Shoe size! Thank you for the...
Ate, ano pa daw gusto mo, Ate Jenny? Ano pa daw gusto mo kay Devon?
Let's go to you.
Pa?
Ano pa daw gusto mo? Ay, ano pa gusto lalaki?
Ano pa gusto mo? Aside sa abs?
Ano yan, te? Ganyan kalaki? Grabe. Devon!
Yes, Daniel.
She likes a man with this.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the time!
Oh. Lahat nabaliw na. Lahat nabaliw na.
Ako dito, gaganon-ganon lang.
Thank you so much, Kim. Thank you, smile.
Ganun ka lang.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wala, nag-iba. Network ito mas fun!
Ate! Hindi ba kami isang titig na? Ate! Oh my gosh!
Uy, yung pala si Taco!
This live is chaotic.
Ate, may nakalagay bang made in China? Hindi mo yun.
Devon, you shoo.
Kaya, ano na lang, nantitrip na lang.
Sige, takbo kayo, magpakit kayo.
Let's go. Thanks, guys. Ewan ko kung
6, 5,
May nag-snipe na 3 million.
and the winner is... Wala.
O, di ba? We won. Tayo nakatulong yung tap-tap ko, te. Tandaan mo, malaking tulong yung tap-tap ko.
Oh, mas malaki yung sayo kaysa kay ano.
True.
Thank you so much, Odo.
Tingin nga, mas malaki yung sayo.
Nikki, smile.
Te,
You're amazing
Ate,
smile.
mas malaki sayo kaysa kay Devon. Patingin nga.
hindi, mas malaki si Devon. Ganun.
Ay, hindi yung gift kasi.
Hindi pala. Akala ko yung
What? What are you laughing about?
Oh,
we're
we're
just
talking about
saying that you're so
the
handsome.
Yeah.
You're so
I
big.
think something else.